They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want
Okay, hello everyone. How are you today? Yes, I'm fine, thank you. And how about your English today? Okay, did you review your lesson? Okay, I hope that you might review your lesson. Okay, so today we are going to continue to study our lesson. So what we are talking about, it is days or there is or there, right? So there is we use with singular noun, and there are we use with plural noun, as you can see in the slide here. So it now take a look with the examples. Okay, there is a book. There is a book. Okay, so a book is a book. It is a book here. It is a singular. So there is only one. So we use with there is. And the second example, there are two tables. So two table, it is plural noun. Okay, so two tables, plural noun. So we use it there. Right? So this is a positive form, and about a negative form, we just add not, as you can see in the third example here. There isn't a computer on the desk. Okay, so why we use isn't? Because a computer, it is singular noun, right? And you can see here isn't. So isn't here, it is from is not, right? So yes, is not. We use isn't, it is a shortcut, uh, and then is not is a long form. Okay. And the fourth example, there aren't four chairs in the classroom. So why we use there aren't? Because we have four chairs. So four chair, it is plural noun. Okay, that's why we use there aren't. So there aren't, it is from are not. Okay, are not. So there aren't is shortcut from are not. And the next example is relevant to question. So in question form, with there is and there are, we always use is or are before there. Now take a look with the example. Is there a fridge there? Okay, is there a fridge there? Okay, so a fridge here, a fridge, it is singular. That's why we use it is. Okay, and when you answer, it can be yes or no. If is a yes, there is. No, there isn't. And the last example, are there any photo on the walls? So any photos, or you can say photos is a plural noun. So we use it are. Okay. So when you answer, you can answer with yes, there are, no, there aren't. Okay. So okay, I tell you again about there is and there are. Okay, so there is we use with singular noun. Okay, mean only one thing, eh? Like we can use with article like a book, a pen, a table, a phone, a boy, or a girl, or anything. It can be noun. Okay, and there are we can plural noun. It means more than two, right? From two, three, four, five, six, seven until okay hundreds, okay, or more than this. Okay, and I can say they are plural noun, right? And I hope that all you guys understand about my explanation about this and they are. Okay, so right now we let's go to the practice. So practice here, write 5 sentences by using there is and there are. So you can say, for example, you can say they are. So sorry, they are. So when we use they are, it means we use with plural noun. For example, there are 2 students in the classroom. In the classroom. And okay, so we can say use with there is. There is a okay, there is a phone. Okay, there is a phone on the floor. Okay, on the floor. Because we have only one phone, so we use there is. Okay, and about there are. Remember there are we use with plural nouns, so we can say there are. Okay, uh, there are many. Okay, many people. Right? So people are plural. Okay, people. There are many people. Okay, living in the city. Okay, and there are one more example. There is okay. We can say there is a boy, okay, in the house. Okay, so that's a little bit. Okay, one more if 5 sentences, so we can use it. There is an apple. Okay, there is an apple. Okay, sorry, there is an apple. Okay, in my pocket, for example. Okay, so this is the practice how to use with there are and there is, as you can see, right, in this example. So 2 students are plural, so we use it there are. Phone, we it is singular, we use it there is. And many people is plural noun, so we use with there are. And a boy is singular noun, we use with there is. And the last example in practice is an apple, right? Refer to singular noun that we use there is. Okay, so thank you very much for everyone for watching and listening to my explanation. Yes, if you have any question, please asking me by leaving your comment below video. I will reply you if I have some free time, right? Okay, goodbye.